We are creatures of desire. It's part of our human characteristic. It's part of our being human. We desire. And desire seems to be something that is always going on. We keep on desiring and desiring. We are looking for satisfaction. When are we really completely satisfied? We can speak of a quality of life in which we are really satisfied. We are stable. All is okay. We want a life that is stable. But when are desires completely met? We desire. We want to have a stability in life. We want to maybe have a security in life. But no matter how hard we try, we also see failures happening once in a while. And we see ourselves getting sick. We see misunderstanding. We have friends come and go. We feel lonely. And of course, for ourselves, there is the time when we will die. There is the reality of death. We look at the many experiences we have, it's very hard to say that desires are completely satisfied. When we desire, we always want more. We are not always satisfied completely. We want more. Do I want a better house? Do I want more money? Do I want to study more and learn more things? Do I want to enjoy more? Do I want to be understood more? Do I want to have more friends? Do I want to be more appreciated? Etc., etc. Desiring seems to be endless. It is a never-ending story. We want more and more. But consequently, we ask questions. If we are creatures of desire, we are also creatures of inquiry. We ask, yes, why don't I have more money? How can I have more money? How can I get a better education? How can I be understood better? How can I make myself be understood better? So, together with our desires is inquiry. Our experience of desire, our experience of inquiry, they go together, all together. Now, if we look at our desires, there is one form of desire that is non-stop. We want one, and then another, and then another. One desire leads to another desire. That's one form of desire. But there's also another form of desire with a particular quality in it. It is a desire with a sense of absolute. A desire with a search for a fundamental ground in which we will find rest. A fundamental ground in which we are able to find rest. So this form of desire is not a desire that wants more houses, more money, more professions, and more of this and that. It's a desire for rest, a desire for a fundamental ground in which we find rest. We have to shape our lives. We really make decisions. We really have to choose. So in the fundamental desire, in the fundamental option of desire, we ask ourselves, what is it that I really desire? What is it that I really want with my life? It's not just how much money more, how much more money can I have? No, what is it in which everything, in which all my desires, in which all my inquiries, what is it in which all of these can find rest? So we make many decisions, many choices, and we might be looking for a fundamental option. The direction of all our desires. What do I really desire? Or what the old song Alfie would ask, what's it all about? So the direction of life, of course, does not come to us clearly in just one click. We need time, we discern, we experience joys and pains, success and failures. Through our different relationships, we see a certain flow of life. We desire and we desire many things, but then maybe we can really ask, where do these all desires go? What is the main desire, the fundamental ground of all these desires in which we find rest? So our experience will show that we are also inhabited by a desire for a basic fundamental sense of life, a joy of life, a real quality of life, a life built on rock and not on sand. Maybe we have different names for this: paradise, heaven, liberation, enlightenment. So life is inhabited not just by questions of desiring for this or that thing, but a desire for something which is fundamental. We ask, where do all my desires rest?